All right, it is time for our first quiz, our phonics quiz. So get out your workbook, open it at the back, the newest clean page, and make your minky monkey. Write the date, 3 July 2020, and draw your line. Make your cross. Fold your page in half. We all know how this goes. So you can set up your quiz salon. Minky Monkey number 1 and number 2. Minky Monkey number 3 and number 4. Minky Monkey 5, 6. Minky Monkey 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then don't draw a line yet because we have our dictation. Alright, once you have set up the quiz, if you haven't paused the video, I'm going to start reading the words. Okay. Get the words in front of me. Alright, this week everybody had the same sound, so luckily I don't have to read 2 words. So here we go with number 1. This was our O sound, our over sound. So here we go. Number 1. Own. I own 7 pairs of shoes. Own. Own. I own 7 pairs of shoes. Own. Remember, with your phonics words and actually any of the other words, the way that you study it is very important. If you break it up into sounds, you make it easier for yourself. Number 2. Scales. Reptiles have scales on their body. Scales. Number 2 is scales. Number 1, own. Number 2, scales. Number 3, slow. A tortoise moves really slow. Slow. The opposite of fast. Slow. That's number 3. Number 4, gecko. Gecko. There is a gecko on my windowsill. Gecko. A type of reptile. Gecko. Number 5, arrow. Arrow. I shoot at the target with my arrow. Arrow. Remember, there's a sneaky double in that word. Don't let it catch you. Number 6, crawl. Crawl. I watch the baby crawl. Crawl. Number 7, elbow. Elbow. Only very few people can lick their elbow. Did you guys know that? A lot of people say that no one can do it, but I've seen people do it. But they say you can't lick your elbow. I don't know why that's something that would ever come up, but just so that you guys know. Elbow. I can't do it. Number 8, reptile. Number 8 is reptile. This week we learnt about an animal called a reptile. Reptile. Please remember to pause the video if I'm going too quickly, write down the word and then carry on. Number 9, grow. Grow. I love to see how my plants grow. Grow. And then number 10, snake. A snake is a reptile without any legs. Snake. Snake. Good. When we get to our dictation, which is now, obviously, you guys last week or the week actually before this some of you had the or a words and some of you had the s words. Now, recently you guys have been getting confused as to which words are yours. Grade 2, all of you in the class have the or a words. There are 3 kiddies in my class and they know who they are, who have the s words, who sometimes have different words than you. Think about if we are doing it in class. There are always the 3 children in my class who do different words than the rest of you. So you do not do the s words unless you are one of those 3, unless those are the words that you studied. Okay? If you got the or a page, that means you are one of the children writing the or a words. If you got a s page for the homework, that's what I mean, then you are one of the children who wrote the s words. Okay? It's as simple as that. So, the first sentence I'm going to read and write whatever for you is the or a kids. So if you are one of the s kids, maybe you can forward until you see me starting to write on this page. Because this kids, I will be writing your sentences on this page. So forward the video until I page over. If you are one of the or a kids, you are going to have to write this sentence. All right, here we go. Remember your finger spaces and to write in your lines the way that we are supposed to. Stretch your letters so that they touch the lines the way they are supposed to. I got on a boat. I got on a boat. This is the or a kids, okay? I got on a boat. That can float. I got on a boat that can float. Down the road. I got on a boat that can float down the road. And I sweat because I am warm-blooded. Full stop. So there's your sentence. For the or a kids, I got on a boat that can float down the road, and I sweat because I am warm-blooded. If you haven't finished your dictation sentence by this sentence that I'm saying now, then pause the video, go back, listen to the sentence again, and fill in and write your sentence to look like this, except I want you to fill in all of those words. All right. If you are an OR kid, you finished the sentence, then the video is over for you, and I will see you in our next quiz video. For the kids, this is where your sentence starts. So if you have been forwarding because you are a kid and you are waiting for me to start, I'm starting now with your sentence. Please don't write yours on a new page. You three that have this words, don't write your sentence on a new page. Go write it here underneath your, where it says dictation, okay, like we normally would. All right, here is your sentence, the kids with this words. I lie on the grass. I lie on the grass made of glass. I lie on the grass made of glass and kiss I lie on the grass made of glass and kiss my cat who makes a fuss I lie on the grass made of glass and kiss my cat who makes a fuss of her fur. Full stop. So I lie on the grass made of glass and kiss my cat who makes a fuss of her fur. All right, when all of you are finished with your sentences, remember to draw your line. If you have not finished your sentence, you can go back in the video, listen to the sentence again until all of the words are filled in. And then that was your phonics quiz. We are moving on to our maths now. All right.